In this video, we are going to learn how you can upload your keywords using Google Ads Editor. In order to set up your first campaign, you will need to have some basic knowledge of using Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. However, don't worry if you are not an advanced user, as I wasn't when I first started using this tool. I have included the links for you to download your free keyword build template in the description of this video. You can download this template and follow me step by step as I show you how to create your first campaign and upload your keywords using Google Ads Editor. So let's get started. So step number 1 is prepare your keyword spreadsheet. Before we do anything in Google Ads Editor, we need to prepare our keyword spreadsheet first. To do that, download and open your keyword build template spreadsheet either in Excel or you can do that online on Google Sheets. I'm going to use Excel in this video. On the keyword build spreadsheet, you will have 3 tabs. These include campaign source info. This is where you include all your tracking parameters to track your campaigns in Google Ads, and also these details will appear in Google Analytics. The second one is a keyword list. This is where all the magic happens. You will include all your keywords here, name the ad type, and include a final URL where you want people to go to once they click on your ad. And the third tab is the URL list. You can use this tab to save a list of all the landing pages that you have built to use in your paid campaigns. So first we'll give our campaign a name. Here it is important to use a specific naming convention for all your campaigns, as this makes it so much easy for you to slice and analyze your campaign's performance in the future. You can check out my other video on how to use the right campaign name. Link will be in the description below. So now we are on the keyword build template and I am on the campaign source info tab. As you can see that the green column B2, B1 here, we need to enter the campaign name there. So I will just go back onto the campaign name builder that I have on the Google Sheets online, where I will just need to copy the campaign name from. So I'll just copy the campaign name, go back into my spreadsheet for keyword build template and then paste the campaign name there. Now once you have added the campaign name, you can go into the keyword list tab and you can see that the campaign name is appearing against the campaign column on the keyword list spreadsheet. Now that we have added the campaign name, we will need to enter the keywords that we want to use in this specific campaign. So I've already selected the keywords that I want to use, so I'll copy them keywords, go back into my keyword build template and then paste them there. Now you can see that once I added the keywords, the ad group column has automatically been updated. This is using a formula, concatenate formula, and it has a dash or hyphen at the beginning of it. Because we are going to create SKAGs, which is single keyword ad groups, what that means is that for every single one of these keywords, we will have just one ad group in this specific campaign. Now we will need to add an ad type here. This is most predominantly an identifier for you to identify which specific campaign this keyword or this ad group belongs to. Because in this specific campaign, I am targeting the terms related to threading treatment. I'm just going to enter an identifier called TT. And once I enter that there, I will just need to scroll this across for all the keywords. And you can see that the TT has now been updated in the ad group. So whenever I'll see this ad group online in my campaigns or in the Google Ads Editor with an initial of TT, I can kind of like notice that it is actually this specific ad group belongs to the threading terms or threading treatment campaign. So now we have added our campaigns, our ad group, our keywords. Now the match type, you can change the match type to phrase match or whichever match type that you want to target in this specific campaign. So in this one, I'm going to just leave it to exact match, and then maximum CPC is what CPC bid that you want to pay for, the maximum CPC bid that you want for each single one of these keywords. In this case, I've just added 30p as a maximum CPC for these keywords. Now it comes to the final URL. So this is the final URL where these keywords, when the ads will be clicked on, so this is the final URL where the users will go to. So I will need to go back into my Google Sheets, copy the final URL from there, go back, and then simply paste my final URL there. Now I'll copy this and then make sure that this final URL is copied against each keyword. So this is our keyword build template ready. So now we can take this data and use it in our Google Ads editor to upload our campaigns data. So in order to do that, I will just need to copy this data from the campaign onwards. Just select all of the data until the custom parameters or the labels column. Control C, go into your Google Ads editor, and here you need to make sure that you are at the accounts level when you are going to add the changes for this specific campaign. So you are at the account level, and because we are updating the keywords, you will need to, in the manage view, you will need to go to the keywords tab. Simply select keywords. So on the account view, you are at the top, at the very top, at the account level, and you will select keywords here because we will be uploading the keywords. Now click on make multiple changes button here in the middle, and then simply paste your data here. Now you will notice that you will have the campaign name attributed, the ad groups, the keywords, and the match type, and so on and so forth. Just make sure here that the custom parameters are also updated correctly for each of these keywords. Once you have added the data here, you can simply click on process. And what you can see, this is the final confirmation window that says that we have one campaign added with 10 ad groups and 10 keywords. If you're happy with this, click on finish and review. So now once you finish and review, you can see that a new campaign name has appeared. So this is the campaign that we have just created. Now in this specific campaign, you can see this red sign here. So don't worry about it if you see this. This is because we have not added a budget yet to this specific campaign. To do that, we will need to go into the manage section, go to the campaigns tab here, and then in the edit view, you can select in the data view, you need to select the right campaign, and in the data in the edit view, you will just need to enter a budget. So for this campaign, I'm going to enter a budget of £10 and then hit tab. Now you will see that the red circle, the error message circle, has now disappeared. So the second thing after this that we will need to do is to go on to the ad groups level, and you can see that there's a dark yellow triangle that's appearing. It's like an error message that you need to look into. So once I click on the ad group level in the manage view, and then go on to the specific campaign that we just created, select all of the keywords, and you can see on the edit view here on the right hand side that there is no maximum CPC bid appearing here. So what we will need to do is just need to include a maximum CPC bid. I'm just going to include £1 and then hit tab. So now once I've added that, the error has gone. So these are so the other warning triangles have actually been gone. Now right now these triangles are appearing because you can see at the bottom that your ad group contains no active ads. This is because we haven't added any ads yet, that we'll be adding soon. So now once you're happy with all the details, you can just click on keep the changes, and now the keywords have been updated and the new campaign name has been created. One more thing that you need to check is in the locations tab. Sometimes it does provide an error message in the locations tab. So if it does, then you need to just simply click on the pencil icon here in the locations tab, and then click if you click on that, you will see the location appearing here. You can just need to click on find locations, select the location that you want to target, and press OK. Now that we have successfully added our new campaign and included our keywords, in the next video, we are going to learn how to include your ads to your campaign, including the tracking parameters for each of these keywords. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have any questions that you need to ask, comment down below and I'll get back to you. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So let's catch up in the next video.